How to export category mappings into a CSV format file. One of the reasons that you would want to do this is while you're categorizing products and information within Gravity Shift, you may want to export it out and search the data and make sure it's mapped correctly, or you would just like another view of what the data would look like. We're adding this functionality to give people the ability, some flexibility, to look at categorization within Gravity Shift IO or look at it inside of your favorite spreadsheet application. So how do we do this? So log into Gravity Shift IO, click Catalog, go to Categories, select the category you're currently working with. Today, I am working with Coraggio categories. I click here, go into the product. This will bring back all of the existing categorization that we've already done. These are the parent categories. And say, for example, I go into performance, and then I can see these air intake systems. You can also notice that you'll see a product count of how many products are actually already categorized. I typically find this view easy to look at, but say, for example, you would like to have an opportunity of looking at this data within an Excel spreadsheet. So let's do that. Let's click the Export Categories. Now this will generate an Excel spreadsheet, a CSV formatted file that you can download from Gravity Shift after the job has been completed. So this will run for between 5 to 10 to 30 minutes, depending on how much data you've already categorized. So what we'll do is we'll let this run and see how things turn out. Well, that took about 5 to 6 minutes to export successfully. Now, export successfully has been completed. Now we just have to download that from Gravity Shift IO. So this is an 88.1 megabit file, so it's taking a couple seconds to download. So once it downloads, we'll actually open this up within Excel. All right, so I have opened up the export file within Excel, and you can see the format. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories. We have the brand name. We have the Gravity Shift IO SKU and the product name of the part. So here I can actually do some interesting things, such as go to Data, click Filters, and now I can start filtering my data. So for example, I want to see everything within the performance directory. Oops. So here now I see everything within performance. I can double click that, expand it out a little bit. And then I can see all the subparts within performance. So maybe I want to see, okay, first I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all of these filters, just only want to see air intake systems. And then I want to see what brands are associated with that. So maybe AM or AFE, etc., etc. And this is just another way for me to view this information within Excel, or I can view this information within Gravity Shift. So we're providing a few different options for your project that can make it easier for you to use. Okay, so if you have questions, always feel free to reach out to us at GravityShift.io, and we're happy to help you out.